In this video we will solve a problem of relay race. This is in the SoloLearn course, which is data programming. Okay, you have to do solving this using slicing of lists. So we have a list of players, of 6 players here, and we divide this list to 3 groups or 3 lists. Each of the first 2 players in the group 1 and the second group of the third and fourth player, and the last 2 players in the third group. Okay, how to do this? This is the code. We will modify it and solve this code. So G1, which is the group 1 or list 1, will be equals players. Here slicing players and brackets, and here we have alias poop. So we have 0 2 هنا 0 1 2 يبقى هنا 2. okay, 0 minus 2, it's equal to 2 players. Okay, now we slice for creating group 2, same list, and we make a slice here. To take a slice here, we start from 0. We have here and 0 1 2, so we will start from 2 and here 3 and here 4, so till 4. okay, and then we will copy also these players, or we have in the clipboard, paste, and we start from 4. Here we have 0 1 2 3 4, here 5, and here 6 2 6. Then we display. How to display? Just print group 1, and displays the first group. So Ctrl X here and here, and I think we can make a comma and type here G1. This is the group 1. Type the second group, comma, and G2. Type the third group, comma, and G3. Let's go see the output here. Group output like this. So I think this is, it's another Control Z, it's in another print. It's in another print because, so we are print in another line, print here, G1. okay, print here G2, and then print here G3, because this is a comment, not this is just comments. Start with hashtag, and now we run. Okay, so it's right, this code is working good. Thanks for watching the video. If there is any question, ask. Please share the video with others and like it, and write any question, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.